I'm sure we all have these kind of jars lying around at home. I use it for my paintbrush holder when I'm painting, and I'm also coming up with a series called Paint Minis with Me. So I want to feature something which is much more aesthetic than this. So let's do a quick DIY. All right, all we need is a jute rope. I got this locally, and we need our glue gun. So I am putting Dress by Craft Cordless Glue Gun to test. Okay, let's see how well this performs, how capable it is, and how good it lasts. So I am ready. Are you ready? Let's see what happens. This is the first time that I am using this glue gun. I did post an unboxing video that you can check out. That video tells you what's included in the package, do's and don'ts, which kind of glue sticks to use and how to insert it, all of those things. So you can check out that video. Right now, my first step is to charge my glue gun. The good thing is that this is a Type-C charger and a USB port, so you can also plug it into any multi-plug that you have lying around at the home. It goes on the bottom of the glue gun, the Type-C end, and then you can just plug it into any switch point. Once it's charging, it will show a red light. I just wanted to show you that I got this rope for 35 rupees, which is amazing. And now I'm trying to insert the glue stick. Just an FYI here, I'm not a pro glue gun user. This is my second glue gun. So when the glue gun is ready, right now it is, I have, put my glue stick in. It turns blue. So we're gonna start with the bottom, okay? And it's just I am pressing this, but it's not happening. Okay, now it's gotten in. This thing has to be like this, okay? If it's like this, you just have to, and then you put your glue gun, and then okay, honey. All right, so now it's pushed in completely, and my glue gun is hot. I don't know. I think maybe this thing is broken. I don't know. Maybe I have a faulty piece or something. Exactly in. Okay, so you gotta pump it in, if that makes sense. I'm gonna show you when I use my second glue stick, okay, because now I've done it, and sadly I wasn't recording it, and now I just need to put my right. So it's good. I don't have to worry about no wire. That's freaking awesome. Awesome. Okay, so okay, I wasn't as ready. Now I am as ready, okay? Let me just remove and start from the start. And see, it's melting like crazy. So I'm just going to, it's freaking amazing. Let me get my coaster here. Alright. Out, see? Good. So what happens is you just have to pump it back in. So just extend this, and then okay, babe, get up. And yeah, the thing keeps coming. Okay, I'm gonna show you from another angle. Right now I'm way too excited and comfy. Let me see. If it's not coming out, we just push it back, the lever, and it starts to pour out. It's crazy. I love it. I love new kind of techs. I'm a techie person, okay? I really am a really techie person. And yeah, if there's more crafty things, I love it. All right, let's go. Make sure that the glue stick is, yeah. Okay, you see it's here. Ooh, a lot of glue just popped out. Oh my god, it's hot. Okay, a little bit of learning curve, I can see. Ouch. Alright, but it's good. It's a good glue gun. Like, I have to get used to it, you know what? Like, that's just like any new tech, you just have to learn it. So you put the thing out and that's how it starts to pour. Now, because this is just hanging here, you just have to work with the lever. I do want to mention that this is not a sponsored video. I bought this glue gun with my own money. Turns out I feel like this one might be a little faulty. I am not sure. I haven't used a lot of glue guns to make that decision. But overall, I find this glue gun to be really nice. I am affiliated with Crafters Corner, so you can always use my coupon if you want to give it a try yourself. And to give you a fair picture, I haven't edited out the worst or the good moments. This is what it is. This is how I use the glue gun. It took me a while to get used to it, but nothing is exaggerated or biased in this video. All right, so see for yourself. I have to put a new one, and all you have to do is, so this lever has like 3 modes, okay? This is one, and then you just extend it. You this in as far as you can, all right, and then just pump it and it will just start pumping. It's that easy. So once you get used to it, it's magic. I love it. You just have to get used to it. I feel like you won't even have to get used to it. It's just I am new at using glue guns, so it took me a little while, but this is awesome. See, so far it's, you can see the before and the after in the same. I love it. I think this is so good. Like, let's see some impressions. They look cute. I mean, I'll think about embellishing it or not embellishing it, but this is good. This is aesthetic. It's not coming out, and I have a little bit over here to see if, you know, the water is clean or not clean. But can you see the difference? The before and the after. Do you see the difference before and after? It's crazy. Okay, I am loving this gun, but I don't know what happened. The light disappeared. My honest feedback, I'm gonna keep this in the frame. So my honest feedback about this gun is, it's a learning curve, at least for me, because I'm not a gun user, glue gun user as such. But this is a learning curve for sure, and I'm disappointed that my light disappeared. I don't know, maybe if this was a faulty piece or something, but it did give me issues, you know, in changing the gun, the glue sticks did give me some issues for sure. But yeah, maybe I just have to keep using it. I guess that's the whole thing. If you're a pro gun user, maybe you wouldn't find this problem. But apart from the glue stick change, which was probably my mistake, I'm not sure. But like, if I put it from here, then this won't feed it in. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. This one, it doesn't feed itself in. So maybe I don't have a good one, or maybe I just don't know how to do it. But otherwise, the charge, it lasted like crazy. Like my light is gone inside. But the charge was good. I didn't have to charge it again. It was good. When it was good, it was good. You know, like when the thing, it gets really hot. So all of these things are really pro about this. I just am not a pro user, a glue gun user. I don't know. I'm on the fence, to be honest. But if you think you can handle this, right, and if you find this to be a good investment for rare use, if you're using for workshops or on the move, then go ahead, buy this. It's good. This is the only option we have for cordless, and the battery, everything is good, dependable. Maybe it's just my fault that I haven't. But overall, I hope you enjoyed this video, right? I'm just being honest about my whole experience. I think this turned out to be really good. I have another one, the bigger one, and I'm gonna be making another one. Let's just say that. About this, it's your choice. If you like it, you can always use my code and get a good discount. And just, if you're a pro, go ahead, use it. It's not a bad glue gun. It's just I don't know how to use it well. Let's just leave it at that, okay? But it's a good one. Does the job. I just use this to make the entire thing, so it's working for sure. It's a little extra effort to let the stick feed. I don't know. Maybe it's just my glue gun that it's not you know it's not going all the way like that, like it stops here. So maybe it's just this one is faulty or something. But otherwise, go ahead, try it for yourself, and let me know if you like it, or if I'm doing something wrong. Tell me in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. I really enjoyed and loved making this. I think this is so aesthetic. Alright, so for more such DIYs, do subscribe to my channel, like this video. I would love some support. Please guys, help me out. Like this, watch the entire video, and leave a comment down below. Like about the butterflies behind me. Do you like it? Alright, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. And more such DIYs coming really, really soon.